What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. We've got my new project sitting right here behind us. I picked up a 2002, I believe, kx250 two-stroke from my brother-in-law, and in today's video we are tearing it down and we are going to see how bad the piston and cylinder are. The bike currently only has 50 psi of compression, so I have no idea how it ran on that, but it was running a while ago, so yeah. So I pulled the plastics off, and really we're getting down to the fun stuff right here, which is I gotta drain the coolant, and I gotta pull the radiators off, I gotta pull the exhaust off, I gotta pull a bunch of stuff off. So I figured I would show you that in the daylight when I had some time after work. So let's just jump into it. Alrighty guys, so I didn't have the right wrench, I didn't have a 15mm wrench to get that off, so let's try something out here. Let's see, let's try. There we go. Alrighty, cylinder head is removed. The cylinder looks really good. So it's dirty, but the piston looks surprisingly good. No really big scuffs I can see, but the ring on the top, I don't know if you can see that, it's not sticking out really past the piston at all, and then the bottom ring a little bit. Seems like the rings are just worn out, honestly. Cylinder looks great. Piston looks great. Let's see. No up and down wobble, but there is some side to side wobble. I'm gonna mic this piston. I'm gonna mic my cylinder and see what I need. Put out. At the top, we are 66.3. Make sure we're still zeroed out, yeah. At the bottom, we are, let's see, come on. Looks like we are 66. 66.3 on the bottom too. So, looks like it is standard bore. Cylinder looks surprisingly good. Oh, set that down. $65.8, yeah. About what I was expecting. 66 on the nose for the piston. So, oh wait. I might have read. Yeah, 66 on the nose for the piston. Sweet. That means we have to order. I'm just gonna get a new piston and rings, obviously. Top end gasket kit. Everything that I just pulled off. Yeah, I am really stinking excited. That's really good news, because I was really worried that the cylinder was going to be all scored, and that I was kind of hoping the piston had a hole in it, because that would be, you know, a clear source of lack of compression without messing up my cylinder. But I'm really happy. It looks like it's just worn out rings, so could be, you know, power valve, it could be reeds messing it up, causing it not to hold compression. I don't know, but we're gonna get a piston and rings, a whole top end kit ordered in, get that in the next few days, slap it back together, fire this thing up and go for a ride. I'm freaking excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know it was not your usual video on this channel, but yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more kx250 content on the channel, like, comment, subscribe, comment guys, let me know what you want to see. But yeah, so even when your rings are worn down, you have no compression, don't forget to stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.